Hello everyone, uh, welcome in my channel Computer Programming. Today I'm going to show you for loop and while loop in the Python. The simple syntax of the for loop is you can use it here on the list as well as the range and any others collection types. A list have with some numbers a 10 20 30 40. So the syntax of the for loop is for item in A and use indentations for spaces just after the for loop. Any other blocks you can use the indentation, the for spaces it here, print item. Okay, so one by one iterate the numbers. Now you can use the while loop also. Count equals to 0 while count is not equals to 11. Then if you want to print the numbers from 1 to 11 as well as 1 to 10, and you can use it the while syntax. So while the condition expressions colon, just after you can use the statement use for spaces, count plus 1 equals to print counts. Okay, while count is not equals to 11, count is equals to 0. You can use the syntax of your things it here. So while count is not equals to 0, count plus equals to 1, print item. So this is the simple syntax you can use it here. The simple syntax of the while as well as the for. Okay, while conditions, then statements. You can use the colon as well as the for indentations spaces. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to Python, and you can learn any other programming like ASP.NET. Thank you very much for watching this video.